Hi Huskies. I want to do some number games with you today, and what we're going to do is we're going to count some things in some books. This is a game that you can do at your house with some of your books. But we're going to do some together. I have 3 books that we read in school this year that are really fun books, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my camera, I'm going to point it down at the table so you can see the books really well, and we're going to do some counting together, okay? Okay, here we are at the table. We're going to do some counting in this book. This is a book called Shark Lady that we read about Eugenie Clark, the shark scientist. Do you see anything on this page that you think you could count? If you want to pause the video, you could pause the video and count something by yourself. I see something. I would like to count the people on this page. Now I got to make a plan. I'm going to start over here and then I'm going to go this way, okay? So I'm going to make sure that every time I touch someone, I say a number so we can find out how many people we have all together. Do it with me. Ready? Actually, I'm going to have you do it by yourself. Ready, set, go. What did you get? Let's do it together now. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people. There are 9 people in this picture. Let's turn the page. Let's find another picture. What do you see in this picture? Is there anything that you would like to count in this picture? If you'd like to pause the video, you can pause it and you can count something in this picture. I see something that I would like to count. I would like to count the sea stars. I would like to count the starfish on the bottom of the ocean, okay? I want you to do it with me. We're going to do it together. I'm going to start on this side this time, then I'm going to do this one, then I'm going to go this way. So I make sure that I count all of them and I don't miss any, okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 what? 10 sea stars. There's 10 starfish in the bottom of this ocean right here. Let's get out another book. We read this book before. This book is about patterns. It's called Pattern Fish. That's the title, okay? I'd like to count some stuff on this page. Oops, I bounced the camera. Do you see anything on this page that you could count? I see some seaweed I could count. I see some leaves under the water. I see an eel that has a pattern on it. Circle, circle, stripe, circle, circle, stripe. I would like to count the stripes. Can you count the red stripes with me? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 what? 6 stripes. 6 red stripes on the eel. That's right. Let's turn the page. Let's count something on this page. What do you see that we could count on this page? I see frogs. I don't have to count the frogs. I can tell how many there are. Can you tell how many frogs there are? I see some purple fish. I don't have to count those either. I can tell how many of those there are. What I would like to count is I would like to count the red circles. Do you see the red circles on the big fish? I'm going to count these red circles on the big. I need a plan. I think what I'll do is I'll count these and then I'll count these. That way I make sure that I count all of them. Okay? I want you to do this one by yourself first. Ready, set, go. What did you get? Let's do it together now. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 what? 8 circles. 8 red circles on this page. Let's try another book. This book we read a long time ago. It's called Biblioburro, and it's about a guy who puts a library on the back of his donkey. Right? How about on this page? Do you see anything on this page that you would like to count? There's a lot of stuff on this page. If you want to pause the video, you can pause the video and try counting something. I think on this page, I would like to count the bananas. Do you see the bananas? The bananas are growing on a tree. That's a banana tree. Bananas come from trees. Do you like to eat bananas? I love to eat bananas. Let's count the bananas. Now I need to make a plan. I see there's some bananas on the top, and there's some on the bottom. I think that I would like to count the bananas on the top first, and then count the bananas on the bottom. Now this is really, really small for you, so I'm going to hold it a little bit closer so we can see the bananas while I'm counting them. Okay, I got my finger ready. Can you count with me? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 bananas on this page. Let's turn to another page and see what we can count here. What do you see on this page that we could count? I know what I want to count. I want to count the plants that are in the river. There's the water, there's the river that's moving. I want to count the plants that are on the edge of the river in the water a little bit. Okay? Can you count those with me? Ready, set, oh, I need a plan. I forgot to make a plan. I think I'll start on this side and count these, and then I'll go up here and count the plants on this side. Okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 plants in the river. How many plants are on this side? There's 3 on that side. Can you tell how many plants are on this side? There's 4 on that side. 4 plants over here, 3 plants over here. Altogether we have 7 plants. Let's do one more page together. Okay? Now look at this page. Do you see anything that you would like to count on this page? I bet you can tell how many birds there are without counting. I bet you can tell how many butterflies there are. I bet you can tell how many children there are, and maybe you can even tell how many houses there are without counting. What I would like to count is I would like to count the leaves on this tree. I see this tree has a lot of leaves, and I want to count them. Now I need a plan. I could start on this side and go this way, or I could start on this side and go this way. I think I'll start on this side and go this way, and I got to make sure I count every plant. Okay? Count with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I counted every leaf on that plant, and how many leaves did I get? 8 leaves. There's 8 leaves on this plant. Okay? So this is a game that you can do with me when we do videos, but you can also do this game at your house with your books. You can pick out one of your books and you can find something in one of your books that you would like to count. Okay? Have fun. Thanks for playing with me today.